Hello everyone, welcome to Topper Engineering classes. In today's lecture, we will see the questions that came in exam of Accenture that was held on 8th of October 2020. I hope this video will help you a lot for those students whose exam is yet to be held, and the most important thing that I wanted to tell you people before even starting to solve the questions. So, I wanted to tell you that the questions that came in the exam of Accenture that was held on 8th of October was like almost repeated. Like almost repeated. So, if you like it is repeated from previous year questions that are available. So, let's start with the video. In this video, I'll cover the analytical reasoning part. Like there are three parts, right? Verbal, analytical, and quants. That is numerical. So in this, I'll cover the analytical part. So don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss my other videos that I'll put like in parts for the whole questions that came in 8th of October exam. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay, so the first question is if in a certain code management is written as NTNAGEMAME, how distribute is written in the code? Okay, so how to solve this? I'll tell you. If MA is 1, NA is 2, GE is 3, ME is 4 and NT is 5. So the sequence will be for this will be 5, NA is 2, 5, 2, GE is 3, MA is 1 and ME is 4. So it will become 5, 2, 3, 1 and 4. Okay, so for distribute it will it has to be DI is R1, ST is 2, RI 3, BU will be 4 and TE be 5. Now for for the correct option we have to put these in 5, 2, 3, 1, 4 format. So first we'll have 5, that is TE. Like I'll write it here. 5, 2, 3, 1 and 4. So 5 is TE, 2 is ST, 3 is RI and 1 is DI and 4 is BU. So our correct answer will be this, that is TEST, RI, no, this is wrong, TEST, RI, DIBU. Yes, we got our correct answer, that is B. Option B is the correct answer. I hope that is clear. If you have any doubt, like any damn doubt, please ask in the comment section. Also, I request you all to join us on Telegram channel so that all your doubts and any further updates can be shared on that. Okay, find a pair that is similar to 5 is to 35. Now if you see like in this question 5 is to 35, so 5 is a prime number, and if we multiplied 5 with the next prime number, that is 7, that will become 35. Okay, therefore 5 is to 35. Like we are multiplying the first number with the next prime number, and this is our answer. I hope that is clear. So from the options, if you see like 2 is a 2 into 3 is not equals to 14, 11 into 13 is not equals to 65, 5 into 7 again it's not equals to 35, so these options are wrong. Now 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is 2. So our option A is the correct answer. Question number 3. Melt is to liquid as freeze is to. You have to read it as this is you will read this colon as is to like as melt is to liquid and double colon as freeze is to. So this is how you have to read it. Now the correct option will be solid, that is option B, because as on melting the liquid is formed. The liquid is formed. As on free like similarly on as on freezing the solid is formed. So this was very easiest question that they asked. All just you have to do is put these in a sentence format, a proper sentence that will make sense, and you'll get your correct answer. Next question. Statements are given. The bank decided to give advances to the priority sector at the rate of interest at par with the corporate sector. Second, the percentage of bad loans given by the banks to the priority sector is very low compared to the corporate sector. So the given options are: 1 is the cause and second is its effect, 2 is the cause and first is its effects, and so on. So we have to look which is the correct answer. Like the option number D is the correct answer because both 1 and 2 are effects of independent causes. Like they are not dependent on each other. Like the bank can change its policy with the priority sector due to the change in the government policy. Thus, it is an effect. But the same cause cannot be the reason of the percentage bad loans because like bad loans being less for the priority sector. I hope that is clear. So like again, if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. See, in the like in this question, I suggest you that before even starting the like exam, I suggest to take a pen and paper and you have to like write ABCD on that so that your time will be saved during the exam. So in this case, FKS, like I'll write it here, DIQ. F is written as D, that is F is written as D, that is -1. Now K is written as I, that is again -1. S is written as Q. S is written as Q, that is again -1. And so and like this. So for fat we have to tell the correct one. So for F it is D, like here also D, and for A it should be -1, that is Z. So DZ. And T, for T -1 is R. So DZR. So our option 1 will be the correct answer. This is how you have to solve. So that's why I suggested you people that before even starting the exam, like keep ready like the ABCD on a pen, on a page so that you save your time. Okay, question 7. Assume the first two statements are true. Okay, we are assuming here that these first two statements are already true, and we have to check that is the final statement true, false, or uncertain. Okay, now we have to check for the this statement. So we'll write it as Tom is fatter than Jack. Tom is thinner than Joy. Now we have to check that Jack is fatter than Joy. See, Joy is fatter than Tom. and therefore Joy is fatter than Jack. So Jack cannot, like, Jack cannot be fatter than Joy, because here we can see that it is not, like, Jack is not fatter than Joy. That's it. So our option B, like 2, that is false, is the correct answer. Choose the incorrect option or options. Okay, there is a typing error here. The given question was TYBRNWGPYNQTGC. So this is the given option. This is the given question, and like, according to this question we have to check whether the given options are correct or not. Now like, same or not. Now this type of question is like quite very common in all like previous years questions. Like, this is the most important question that in every exam they like give one or two this type of questions in Accenture. Okay, we'll see. So TRBRN, WGP, YNQTG is quite similar. TYBRN, WM. See, this is wrong. Now, it might like seems like it is quite easy question, but in the exam you don't have much time for looking each an option, like and waste your time. So it is quite a memory game like thing. You have to do it very quick to save your time. Now TYBRNWGPPYYNQDGC. Okay, this is similar. Now TYBRNWGPYNPC. Q and P. Now this is wrong. So our option B and D will be our answer, because we have to find the incorrect options. Yeah, question number 9. Now the correct answer for this question is option 1, that is only 1, 2 and 3 are true. Like from the given conclusions we have to check whether which conclusions are true according to the statements and according to the given meanings of that statement. Okay, I'll not solve this because I want you people to take efforts and solve this question. And still, if you are having any doubt, please mention in the comment section, so that if many students face the problem, I'll make a separate video on that too, or else I'll explain you in the comment section. No worries. Okay, question number 10. Introducing Sarita, Meena said she is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Here, Meena is saying that Sarita is the only daughter. Okay, now for this type of question, you have to draw a diagrammatic thing. Now, Meena is saying that Sarita is the only daughter of my. My means Meena. Meena father's only daughter. So Meena is the daughter of her father, obviously, and she is saying that she is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Like Meena is the daughter of her father and daughter of my father's only daughters. That is, Meena's daughter is Sarita. That is, here the option 4 is the correct answer, because niece, cousin and aunt are wrong. So I hope that is clear, and if you still have any doubts, please ask in the comment section, so that I can help you. And also this is not all, like, this is not the complete video. I'll share some more parts on the questions that were asked on 8th of October in Accenture. So yeah, do subscribe my channel and keep learning and keep getting placed. That's it, nothing else. Best of luck and bye bye. We'll meet in the next video.